In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install Python 3.8.5 on your Windows machine. And this is Touhid with you from Touhid YouTube channel. And in this channel, I make different type of programming and tech related videos. If you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel. So without wasting time, let's get started. At first, you need to open your favorite browser and then search for Python. And after searching for Python, you need to click on the first link. After searching for Python, you need to click here. And after clicking here, you will be able to see this website. And also you can type this address at your address bar and you will be able to see the same website. And then you need to take your mouse here and then you can click here to download Python 3.8.5. And also you can click here and the website will take you this page. You can click here to download Python 3.8.5. And also you can search for other platforms such as the Linux or Unix or Mac OS X or other platforms. Also, if you want to download the Python as a Docker image, you can click here. So as usual, we are going to click here because we are using Windows 10. After clicking here, the download option will appear and you just need to click on the start download if you have the IDM installed in your system, and within a few minutes I guess you will have the Python in your machine, and then we will go through the installation process. Well, the download will take some time depending on your internet speed, and I guess this won't take long time. After finishing the download, you have to navigate that folder which have this file. As you can see, after downloading the file, I have Python 3.8.5 in my program folder because I'm using the IDM, so by default the download file will be arrived at this folder. Well, when the download is finished, you have the Python file in the computer. You just need to open this file, double click on it, and after that you will have a window like this, and then it's saying that install Python 3.8.5, and here have two options. You can use this option, just install now, and you can also choose the customize installation. Before that, we need to click here to check the checkbox, and we will have the Python 3.8 environment variable path. If you don't click here, you can't use the Python 3.8 in the command prompt and maybe in the other place also. And then we are going to click here the customize installation, and then here have few options you can choose. The first one is the documentation, and the second one is if you want to use the pip with the Python, if you want the TCL or TK, and some other options. And I'm going to choose the same as here, and then simply I need to click here at the next button. After clicking the next button, it will give you some more options. And the first option is install Python for all users, because if you install the Python in this machine, in this account, the other user of this computer can't use the Python. If you want them to use the same Python that install on this account, you have to click here to give the permission to use the Python for all users. And then here have some more. I think you don't need to check here. And also you can change the installation location from here. Just need to click on the browse and then you can choose your path. And I'm okay with the default path, and then we just need to click on the install, and after clicking there, the installation process will start, and it will take a few moments to finish, and until that we need to wait. As we can see, the installation process is almost done, and it's installing the required software and the files that we need to have to install the Python. Well, when the installation process is successful, you will have a message like this that setup was successful. Here have an option you can choose that disable path length limit, and we can just simply click here. The Python is installed in your system, and we just need to click on the close, and then we need to make sure that the Python is successfully installed in our system and also working. So for that we just need to click on the start menu, or you can also click on the window button to have this interface. And as we can see that at the recently added, the Python was installed. You can click here to expand and see more options from Python, and here we have the Python module docs, that means the documentation, and the idle IDE which comes with the Python itself, and have a Python manual and also Python 3.8. We need to click on the idle. After clicking on idle, as we can see that the font is really short. So to increase the font size, what we can do, we just need to click on the option and then configure idle, and then from here we can increase the font size. To increase the font size, we need to click here, and then we can choose maybe 16 size, and as you can see the font become big, and then we just need to click apply. Before click on apply, we can also check this checkbox to make the text as bold, and then we are going to click apply, and the changes are applied. Now we just need to click on OK. So everything is done. Now let's type print, and then inside the print function let's type hello world. Close the string and then close the bracket, and then simply press the enter button. And then as we can see that we are having the output from the print function. You can also make a file to write more codes. For that we just need to click on the file and then new file, and now we need to type hello world. Before running the code, you need to save the file. To save the file, just simply click on the file and then click on save, or you can also choose Ctrl S to save the file, and you need to give a name. I'm just giving a name that hello.py. .py is the extension for the Python file. I'm just choosing the desktop to save the file, and then just click on the save, and the file is saved, and we can also see the path of the file. And now we just need to click on run and then click on run module, or you can press F5 from your keyboard. After that, as we can see, we have the output hello world again. So everything is working fine. So now we can see another method to write Python code. We need to go to start menu, and then we need to click on expand, and then we need to choose this option, the Python 3.8. After clicking here, we will see an interface like this. It seems like the command prompt, but it's from the Python. To increase the font size, we need to click the right button here, and then we need to go the properties option. From here we need to go the font option, and then we need to choose a bigger size, and in this case we are choosing the 18, and then just need to click OK. Ignore it, just click on OK, and as we can see that the font size become bigger. And now we can type print hello world and then press enter, and as you can see we have the same output hello world as before. And now we are going to look another method that we can write the Python code. We just need to go to the start menu and then search for the CMD, that means the command prompt, and need to click here. After opening the command prompt, from here we can also see what version of Python installed in our system. So we need to write Python and then -- version, and then press enter, and as we can see Python 3.8.5 is installed in our system. And also we can type pip and then version. To see the pip version in our system, we need to give 2- before the version. As we can see, pip 20.1.1 is installed in our system. So to write Python code, we need to type Python and then press enter, and the Python shell is here, and then we can type print hello world and then press enter, and as we can see we have the same output again. So that's all about Python installation, and if you think that this video was helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel right now, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notification about every single video. I'll see you in the next video.